And today we are going to learn chapter number 2, human body. Today's our topic is digestive system. Today's our topic is digestive system. The food that we eat gets digest inside our body. The process of the changing food substance that our body can use is called digestion. The organs that help us to do this form of digestive system. We get energy from the food we eat. For food to be absorbed by our body, it is the first required to be broken down in a small substance. The process of the breaking down of the food in a small substance that can be absorbed by our body is called digestive system. It's called digestion. Digestive system consists of our mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver and pancreas, small and large intestine, rectum and anus. See the picture of the digestive system. Mouth. The digestive system process start from the mouth. Then it will be go the food pipe. Food pipe also called esophagus. And then it reach in liver and stomach, large intestine and small intestine, rectum and anus. Mouth. Food we eat is chewed to smaller portion by the teeth in mouth. Saliva glands. Saliva gland. This is the saliva glands. Saliva glands is mouth secretes digestive juice is called saliva. Saliva make the food soft and moist so that it can be easily swallowed. It called bolus. Saliva also breaks down the starch present in food to sugar. And food pipe. The soft and moist food formed in the mouth then enters food pipe. This is the food pipe. Then stomach. From the food pipe, the walls enters the stomach. It is sac-like organ where food remain. The stomach also release the digestive juice and acid that help in digestion, and it will reach in small intestine. From the stomach, partially digest food enter the small intestine. It is a long tubes-like organ. Here the digestive juice produced by small intestine and large intestine. The remaining food that has not been digested then the large intestine. Here the extra water minerals are absorbed. And rectum. This is the rectum. The remaining undigested food then stored in rectum. And anus. This is the anus. The undigested food stored in rectum passed out of body through anus from time to time. So student, learn it, and next topic is our skeleton system. Read this. Take care, class.